Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, round 2. Focus on the marketing decision. Check the other video for round 2 R&D and the other video for round 1 HR, marketing, production, and finance, so we can have the right decision, right? And you see the top result after 8 rounds, right? You get the top sale and profit. And also, if you follow the right direction, you get the top result for round 1 like you see on the screen. And now we focus on the round 2 marketing. I show you the so for round 2 marketing, remember to check round 1 on the video to set decision. And for round 2, we reduce the price by 50 cents, and you see on the screen to keep the competitiveness. We maintain the strong promotion and sales for two first product, traditional and low end, because they account for 70% of market share. And also we increase the performance promotion and sale for the other product. For new product occur here, we use a half budget because we sell half here. I show you the detail here. You look at that one, you see the traditional segment, right? Traditional segment accounts for nearly 31% of market share, and low end you see account for nearly 40% of market share. You check the top price here, right? You have the top selling product and then price here, and you have the top selling product here, and then you get the price here. You can reduce 50 cents to maintain the competitiveness, right? And for the other product here, for the high-end segment, you see you have the top selling, so maintain the competitiveness by reduce 50 cents. And for the performance segment here, we get the top selling product here, right? You just reduce 50 cents. So don't have to use the lowest price, use the most optimal price, right? And for the size segment here, you have the top selling product here. So remember, use the most optimal price, and also you can download and use the free Excel file to keep track of the price for each round, for 8 rounds, right? And now we calculate the most important thing of marketing, to calculate the sales forecast. Again, we open page 4 of the report. You see unit we sold here, column 3, inventory here, column 4, and then you can use this, and together with the Excel file to calculate the sales forecast for round 2. I show you now. So you see that unit we sold here, inventory here, segment growth here, right? And then we can calculate the sales forecast here. You can add about 30%, 10, 30, 50%, depends on the competition of your game. So again, do not copy the number here to paste into your game, because numbers and games may be different from student to student, right? So I show you the strategy. You can apply that, change, customize that to adapt to match your competition situation of your game. So we have the sales forecast here. We input into the game. You see on the screen, right? You see on the screen, we input that into the game, right? So sales forecast here, right? You see that. And then on the decision, set the price, promotion, and sale budget, and calculate the sales forecast. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbashim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Check the other video for the next winning guide and tips, right?